Hey friends, it's Sejal and welcome to my channel. Today let's prepare very nutritious Mexican quinoa salad. Quinoa is a rich source of protein, fiber and beneficial antioxidants. It also helps in weight loss by boosting metabolism or reducing appetite. So to begin with, I washed quinoa 4-5 times under tap water and cooked for 15 minutes following instructions on packet. I chopped veggies while it was cooked. I took half cup of black beans, chopped onions, tomatoes, avocado and 1 cup of mixed color bell peppers. Then to make dressing, I took juice of medium sized lemon, 2 tablespoons olive oil, some fresh cilantro and for spices 1 teaspoon oregano, salt, cumin powder and half teaspoon of black pepper and paprika and mix them together in a jar and blend it well. Now took a big bowl and added quinoa, all the veggies and beans and mixed them. Then poured dressing over it and mixed it again. Once done, covered it with lid and kept in refrigerator for about at least 2 hours so all the flavor gets blended well. So our healthy yummy quinoa salad is ready to eat. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video. Till the time, take care and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.